What's up, everyone? Welcome. Doing 4 boxes, 2015 Bowman Chrome Baseball, 23rd November. All right, these are participants and the teams you guys all won. Good luck to everybody. All right, it's 13 of you tonight. Okay, all cards ship. 2 autos per box. Let's hope we get some nice pulls on this one. I'll get all the packs out. All right, guys, good luck. That's it. Hopefully we'll put a Correa. Let's pull something. I want to get some nice cards. All right, here we go. Rick Porcello, Tyler Kolek, tall boy there, and Spencer Turnbull, Steven Souza. All right, got blue Nick Gordon. What is this? 150. Just not a number, just a promotion or something. Adrian Beltre, Daniel Robertson, Corey Reed, and John Lester. All right, Melky Cabrera, Julio Teheran, die cut. It's not numbered, right? Nope. Jameson Trilon and Kyle Crick. Sorry if you can't see it good enough. Let me just fix the lighting. Preston Tucker. Got updates of Forest Wall. J.P. Crawford. Andres Bracino. Same Nick Gordon there for the Twins. This is contesting. Francisco Liriano. Franklin Barreto. Rowan Wick. Chichi Gonzalez. Alright, Colton Wong die cut. Tyler Danish. Got Steven Bruno. Pedro Alvarez. Jordan Zimmerman. James, this is numbered 344 out of 499. James McCann for the Tigers. Justin Steele. Casey Gillespie. Alright, Norichika Akoi. Nice Byron Buxton, tall, skinny, whatever you call these things, I forget. Jesse Winker, Jimmy Rollins. Endor Incarte. And we got a gold of Lucas Giolito. 49 out of 50 for Nationals. Look at Lucas Giolito gold. Max Fried and Roberto Osuna. Rob Refsnyder, Yankees, updates. Zach Ringer, I'm not sure how you say his name. Jerry Rodriguez, Jason Wirt. Alright, Tijon Walker, Carson Smith, Joe Wendell, George Springer. We got Stephen Pierce, and we got here Wade Davis, numbered out of 25 for the Royals. Wade Davis, 22 out of 25. Kansas City. Eric Jaeglo, Yankees, and Pierce Johnson. All right, Asdrubal Cabrera, and our first hit is Yohan Lopez, the Diamondbacks. This is low numbered. Yohan Lopez for the Diamondbacks. Out of 25, 9 out of 25. Diamondbacks, Brandon Drury, and Trevor Bauer. Michael Brantley, Jake Gatewood, Maurice Minier, and Nick Markakis. Chris Bryant base, Rookie of the Year. Tyler Gasno, tall card there. Tony Kemp, and Joe Panic. Got one more auto, right? Got Yasmani Thomas, Diamondbacks updates. Cody Medeiros, Edwin Diaz, Dustin Oakley. What we got here? We got Tony Kemp for the Astros. This is the Wave Fractor pack. Jake Gatewood, Amarius Minier, and Justin Steele. Wave Fractor pack. And I believe we should have an auto here. We only pulled one. Yep, save that last. Ronaldo Lopez, Jared Weaver, Alex Avila, and our auto is Spencer Turnbull for Detroit. This is not numbered. That's it. First box. Alright, second box to go. Second box. Alright, good luck, guys. Adam LaRoche, Aaron Judge, Yankees, Lucas Sims, Will Middlebrook. Robinson Cano, Michael Conforto, Mets, Luis Lesia, Carlos Santana, we also pulled a base for him too. Julio Teheran, and our auto is Bobby Bradley for the Indians. Nice blue. This is, there you go, Cleveland, 37 out of 150. Nice hit, Bobby Bradley, Indians. And Tyler Glasnow and Russell Martin. Alright, Rosny Castillo. Got Hunter Renfro. Chance Cisco. Luis Ortiz. Got that Nick Gordon again. Wade Davis. It's not numbered, right? Nope. Dane Vogelbach. Max Pentecost. And Addison Reed. New England is still winning. Colton Wong. Kyle Schwarber. I go tall. Clint Frazier. Brandon Phillips. Alright, Gregory Polanco. Grayson Grenier. Simon Mercedes. Lance Lynn. Alright, then Nick Gordon again. That's contest thing we got. Jorge De La Rosa. This is out of 91 out of 499 for the Rockies. Sean Newcomb, Kyler Freeland, and Trevor Rosenthal. Oh, nice hit. Carlos Correa. This is green. 29 out of 99. Not an auto, but nice numbered. Got your Correa. Not bad. Out of 99. Very nice. Nolan Sanburn. Bradley Zimmer. And Yadier Molina. Got Zach Brin, Rosny Castillo, die cut. Austin Bryce, not numbered, that was numbered. Bobby Wall. Chris Archer, Brandon Shipley, Corey Seager, and Adam Jones. Paulo Orlando. And nice, another Carlos Correa insert. A skinny tall boy, I guess is what this is, a tall boy card. Christian Arroyo. And we got Keon Kela. Byron Buxton. Malik Smith, Miguel Amante, Buster Posey. Alright, Pat Neshek. And we got blue of Cody Medeiros out of 150 for the Marlins. 76 out of 150. Medeiros. Corel Prime and Anibal Sanchez. Anibal. Matt Kemp. Raul Mondesi, Steven Piscotty, Max Scherzer. AJ Cole, Derek Hill. Some of these cards got scratches on it. I don't know if you can see it there, the line. Tyrell Jenkins, Hanley Ramirez. Marlon Bird, and the auto is Mike Yastrzemski. That's Carl's son, I believe, for the Orioles. Not numbered. There you go. Wilmer Defoe, Santiago Casilla, And last pack we got Miguel Castro, Colin Moran, Trace Lar, and Eloy Jimenez. That's it. Box number 2. The nice Korea green. Alright, let's continue. Box number 3. Alright, Brady got intercepted. Alright, Michael Feliz, Cody Medeiros, Edwin Diaz, Carlos Rodon, Miguel Montero, Brandon Moss, got a Justin Steele, and a Casey Gillespie. Alright, another Nick Gordon. Lindgren for the Yankees. Excuse me, Ronaldo Lopez. Got Tony Kemp. And a DJ Lemau. Alright, Jason Hayward, Hunter Harvey Tall, Cody Reed, Pablo Sandoval. Travis Wood, Cubs. Mashiro Tanaka, cut, Yankees. J.P. Crawford. Andres Brasino. Yeah, that's for sure. Wei Chin Chen. We got a purple here. Alex Jackson out of 250. 249 out of 250 for the Mariners. Cam went out. Hold up. Oh, there it is. Keeps going in and out. Alright. Sorry about that. Daniel Robertson and Neftali Feliz. Alright, Michael Saunders and Cody Reed out auto for the Diamondbacks. Not numbered. Amorius Minier and Nick Swisher. You never know with these guys. I mean, sometimes you just need time. It's hard to tell, man. Todd Frazier. Julio Urias. He's got one eye closed in this one. Not a good picture of him. Jake Gatewood and Kendall Graveman. Chase Utley. Robert Stevenson. We got Ahmed Rosario from the Mets and Stephen Vogt. So, yeah, 7,200. Huh? What was the product? Francisco Lindor, not numbered. Jameson Tillon, Kyle Crick, Jeff Samardzijaja. I can't say his name. Oh, it was graded out of 10. 2,000. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's gonna go high. That's for sure. Wade Miley, Daniel Carbonell, John Mascot, Anthony DeSclafani. Graded gold or just Ichiro? Got updates on Monte Harrison, Alex Jackson, and Brandon Nemo. Got another Nick Gordon, Giancarlo, Felix Jorge, Spencer Kieboom. Kieboom, that's a cool name. Kieboom, Kaboom. Dalton Pompey. Dominic Smith for the Mets. Franklin Barreto. Rowan Wick. Eduardo Rodriguez. A-Rod. Tyler Danish. Steven Bruno. Garrett Cole. Got Carlos Rodon, die cut. Jake Thompson. Parker Bridwell. And Yoon Jin Roo. Alright, purple, Matt Adams out of 250. 27 out of 250. Dowell Lugo. Manuel Margot. Blake Schwartz. Alright, last pack for box number 3. We got Ryan Braun. And the auto is Malik Smith for the Braves. Malik. Actually, it's not Malik. It's Malik Smith. Jeff Hoffman and Joe Maurer. And Cam keeps going in and out. Join the club, man. I love to hate the cards too. Let's see if I can fix this cam. Alright, it should go off again. Alright guys, last box. Good luck. How am I doing? Alright. Okie doke, here we go. Alright. Howie Kendricks. Jamison Trelon. Matt Chapman. You know, somebody's got scratches. I hate this shit. You see there's some marks on these cards. Aria Baez. Delino the Shields Jr. Justin O'Connor, Monte Harrison, Brett Laurie, Nick Gordon, Jorge Soler, Alex Hansen, J.D. Davis, and Brandon Dozier. Updates of Nomar Mazara, DJ Peterson, numbered, Cole Stewart, Mark Canna. There's a lot of scratches in these chromes, man. I try to show them right away. I mean, no way to handle them. Gloves are not going to help, but you know, this is scratches. It's the way they pack them. We got an auto in this one. Alex Blandino, Shane Green, Dallas Keuchel, and the auto is Casey Stoltz from the Marlins. Casey Soltis, excuse me. Casey Soltis, the Marlins. I think in the 2014, the Prism, I know Panini put so much powder in those cards. I guess, you know, to prevent those scratches. I don't know if that was a good idea, but yes, it was like all baby powder. It looked like cocaine or something when you open those boxes. Kevin Plawecki for the Mets. Mike Lloyd. Nick Kingman. And Anthony Orlando. Yeah, was it? I think it was 2014 Prism. They all had them. Even the Crusade. I remember the Crusade, 2013 Crusade basketball. Man, it was like, full of white powder in there. Will Myers. They stopped doing that though. But Rob Kaminsky, Bobby Bradley. This got some scratches on it too. See over there. It's just the luck of the draw sometimes. Antonio Sensatia. Yeah, I like, I'm more football, so Panini pretty much has the market on that now that they signed a new contract. So, but Mark Melancon, Andrew Velasquez, Michael DeLeon, and Steven Strasburg. Yeah, I do mostly football, Gator. I mean, I do baseball and basketball sometimes. I'm waiting for the new 15-16 basketball. I'm a Knicks fan, so I want my Porzingis. Huston Street, Luis Gohara. This is numbered out of 91 out of 499. Oh, J.J. Watt's a beast. I actually have a nice rookie. I didn't get it graded yet for him. It was a platinum numbered 1 out of 10 for J.J. Watt gold of tops. His rookie card. Jorge Alfaro, Josh Donaldson. Yeah, 1 out of 10. I have it in I never sent it to get graded. The auto's a little off. It's not really that centered. It's not bad, but it's on card. So now the auto's coming up next. Let's see. We got Nick Wells, Michael Bourne, Curtis Granderson. I'm not gonna sell a Gator. Thanks anyway, man. I'm gonna keep that. Amir Garrett for the Reds. This looks pretty clean. Austin Corsino, Luke Jackson, Michael Taylor, Stalin Marte. Oh, you're from Houston? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, you beat the Jets. I'm a Giants fan, but a couple of my friends actually went out to Houston to watch the game. Chris Carter, Orlando Arcia, Mitch Keller, and Grant Holmes. David Freese, got Jose Berrios, Ian Clarkin, James McCann. Karis Davis, Mookie Betts, die cut. Victor Caratini. And we got Amir Garrett, base card. Pull this auto. All right, Carlos Correa base. Another Correa for you. Got Joey Gallo, Lucas Golito, Dustin Pedroia, Thor. There he is. The Mets. Another Met, Dominic Smith. I don't know who he is. C.J. Edwards, Zach Gozart. Yeah, collect on those Correas. Got a purple coming up. We got Nick Gordon again, and the purple is also for the Astros. We got Jake Marcinick. Another hit for you. Gator 224 to 250. Jake Cave, Yankees. Billy McKinney, Cubs. Nolan Arnedo. And the last pack For this break, we got Cole Hamels, excuse me, Alan Hansen, updates there, Luis Gohara, and Matt Olson. And that does it, guys. Thank you very much for joining. I will get these cards out hopefully by Wednesday. If not, most likely it's going to be Saturday because the holidays. So I might not be around. I'll try to do my best, but most likely it'll be Saturday at the post office. Join my group, guys. Like I said, I do those giveaways. It'll be a lot of fun. Doing the hobby box giveaway when I get up to at least 150 members. I'm at 100 now, and they got the Monday night hobby pack giveaway as well. Check it out. That's it, guys. Have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family, your food, the football, and everything else. Take care.